All right. So on this week in Hello, Dr. Dan, we worked on inheritance, instance of these sorts of things. We made Star Wars. We added on to our first week, lesson one, Star Wars, where we made this week we made the Galactic ID, the droid, humanoid. But now we have the Force user, Jedi, and Sith, which all inherit. The class above, as you can see with the arrows. Um, so the Jedi and Sith inherit from the Force user, inherit from the humanoid. Um, and we learned a lot about how you can call from the superclass and superclass versus the subclass. Um, we learned to interface, as it was explained, like corporations and things. So there's like kind of a layout for what the um, program will be like, and then you can individually determine the Jedi, what the Sith classes look like. Um, we learned about abstract methods, which are they can't instantiate themselves. So like and Dr. Dan used the example of like a social security number. It needs to be made when a person is born or something. They can't just make a new social security number. Like, or in this example, we're making galactic IDs, but we want to use that class as a super class for like the humanoids. And when we make a person, we want that to have a unique ID, but the abstract method and class can't actually instantiate itself. Um, and if you have an abstract method, the whole class has to be abstract. Um, so yeah, and we basically made this new fight simulator with power, how much Jedi power, Sith power that they have, and determined who would win and lost health and force health. Um, so yeah, the most interesting part about this lesson to me was definitely the abstract methods. Learn I read about it on Zybooks, but it made a lot more sense seeing it, why there's errors when you try to in the client create an instance the of the inherited class, of the abstract class. So um, yeah, but we use the abstract class for other things other than just making it. So that was the most interesting part to me. And yeah, it's this week.